Now, the recording is on. The recording is on. Okay, let's go. First, I'm Jeffrey Benson. Today, I want to talk on the London breakout strategy still. I know people have been just typing the challenges you have been having with it, because people that I can see right here, those are the same people that I've thought before. But say you still having challenges with determining the trend, just type it in the chat box. So we'll just deal with that. For first, let me pull out my my stuff. Okay. Let me use JFX because that one to me right now is fast. The server is faster. Okay, Mr. Park said, my problem is the trend determination. I don't know how to do the higher high, higher low, okay, all those stuff. Okay. You're going to understand them better today. Okay. Can everybody see my screen? Can you see the plane? Please, every guy, just mute yourself. Mute yourself. I can't find that right now. I wanted to mute everyone. Just mute yourself. Mute yourself because I can hear noise, background noise. Mute yourself.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Just mute it. Mute it. I'm hearing some background noise. I don't know if it's from Mr. Park or from...
Okay.
Yeah. All right. For this, you already know. Okay, now for this example, I'll just be using okay, we'll not be using GBP USD, and it happens on 1 hour. I've already explained all these things. Okay. Mr. Park is asking questions. He says, sorry, how did you change your screen to white nice structure? Okay. This is how I did that. How to change your screen, how to make everything look nice is you right click on your plane chart. You go to properties, or the faster way you can see, you can just type F8. Just on your keyboard, F8. Then to open, you come to colors. From here first, the color scheme, you change it to black on white. When you do that, then you can just tweak all this thing to suit what you want. Your bar down, that is the one showing your bearish sign, you should all be red. Bar up, green, and stuff like that. That's just it. Just tweak it to your taste. And when you're done, press OK. Okay, and the background, you make it white. There's a background, they just click white to be white. Okay, now GBP USD, let's go back far down. First, here are the rules. You only need about, I drafted. Can you see the rule? Can anybody see the rule? If you cannot see the rule, just type Y on the chat box. Y. Type Y on the chat box. Okay. The London breakout strategy. The first thing you see here is what? Check news. Check if there's news. Most times there's always news on GBP at 10:30 a.m. every morning. 10:30 every morning. We say I should enlarge a bit. Okay. 10:30 every morning. So you have to set it up. Okay, I just hope you can see them now. First one, you check news. The news happens most times every Wednesday. So the best thing is for you not to trade whenever there's news, especially when it's red news. That's the most important thing, not other news. Once it is red. Then the next thing is to mark up all the 6 GBP pairs. GBP AUD, GBP NZD, GBP JPY, GBP CHF, GBP USD. All the GBP pairs, GBP JPY. Just mark them up, just as we have here. You mark them up. Make sure you put this your period separator, this period separator. How to put it? You click on your F8, your property, and you come to common. Then you click on show period separator, you tick it. That's how to do that. Okay, you have this, and the next thing is for you to locate the OHLC on the 9 a.m. candle. Or what you're going to be doing, we are going to be working with 9 a.m. candle. 9 a.m. candle here in London, it's 8 a.m. So that's the whole idea of the strategy. I explained the reason why the strategy came about and why it worked, and it keep on working for years. Okay, locate the OHLC. Okay, you might be wondering what OHLC. OHLC, O stand for open, H for high, low, and close. That's the full meaning of that. Now let's go to our candle. For this, let's use this day. This should be 14th of February. This chart. This particular time is 14th of February. This day. This is the chart and the bars that happen on the 14th of February. Here is it. And the only thing we're looking for 9 o'clock candle, 9 a.m. So you just look here. You look at this box, this channel, to determine the time. So this is 8 and this is 9. And this small information too can give it to you. You just click on Ctrl F to give you the information. This is our 9 a.m. candle. So first, determine the high. At this tip is the high. This is the open, this is the close, and this is the low. So the next thing you're going to do is to mark it up. Mark them all up. Mark it up. Okay, we're working with this. We're working with this. Alright, we're working with this. That's what you just need to do. Then the next thing is determine whether it's long or short. Yeah, this is where you will need to pay a very good attention. Determine whether it's long or short position you're going to enter. If it's a long position, what you need to do is for you to set a buy stop. If it's a short, you sell stop. So how did you know if it's market might likely go down? Remember, we are predicting, we don't actually know what will happen. Sometimes you might just be wrong. Just accept that you are wrong. Yeah. So this is what I find out. The other time I said what I do is I do them myself. I create a higher high, higher lows. First, let me remove this zigzag stuff you're seeing on my chart. This zigzag, let me remove it. This is the default zigzag. I've done that. What I do is, since this is the chart, what I do, I connect it myself. Connect this myself. Oh, can I just do this? And I'll do this. So as at this point, I know it is coming down because we have, at this point, the market is going up because we have consecutive higher highs and higher lows and higher high, higher low. Although this place is at the same range with this other place, this side, this pretty the same range. So there's a very solid resistance at this point. Solid resistance at this point. Okay, let me change this color so we get it better. Solid resistance at this point. Let me make this line a thicker one. So we'll see. So I'll just be moving it down and I'll make it blue. Okay. So there is solid resistance at this point. So I know by this time I'm not gonna go with a long position because this resistance one won't let the price go up. And next thing, this is a higher high. So okay, Mr. Park said this is exactly where I'm having problem. Do I know the higher high, higher low? Okay, that's what I'm teaching. That's what I'm working on it now. I'm working on it. So just pay attention. I'm gonna give you an easier an alternative to do that. So since this is a higher high, a higher low. This is supposed to be a higher high, but this is still just ordinary high. So they are the same point. So there's a resistance. This will tell you that there's a solid resistance here. So you draw it right up here, then there's a big probability that this market is going to sell. So you place your sell order. Now here is another alternative to that. Your zigzag line, you go back to that your zigzag, your indicators, you go to insert indicators, you come to custom, you locate your zigzag. Mine is pretty fast, zigzag. So the only tweak there is during the week I was trying to look for an easier means. Just change the default. The default is always 12, the depth is always 12, the deviation 5, the back step is 3. So change the depth to 5, the deviation you change it to 1, and the back step leave it at 3. You hit it. Yes, this way it's going to be cleaner. This is the one we drew by ourselves before. You see, we're not that wrong right here and right here. So that's it. So you just have to have a very good knowledge of how to determine your higher high and higher low. That will help you in a great deal. That why I say so is because sometimes these exact things, since it's a program stuff, sometimes it does fail. It does fail, yeah. But with you, since you are a human being, you can determine when this price might just. You can decide to tweak it at any time you wish. Now you see at this point, let's say this is 6 a.m. This is 6, 7, 8, and 9. At this time, you know the market's already coming down. This is a strong resistance here. So this one should be pointing at this direction as at that time. So you know you have to sell this market. Because we have a low here, we have a high here. The next thing is to have a low. Remember, market does not move in straight way. It moves in waves. It goes up and down, up and down, up and down. That's why you don't see, except in news. Even when it is news time, the market is likely shoot up and come down, shoot up, come down, shoot up, come down. That's how it works. It moves in. It's always move in wave. In wave, it's always moving wave. Always moving wave. So that's just it. So it's higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, or in a downtrend, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. That's just it. So that's just the tweak. So hope you guys get that. Okay, let me add that. Determine whether it is long or short, and you are going to use zigzag. Zigzag should be let me write that out. 513. That should be your settings. That should be the settings. Then you know how to set a pending order. And then the next one, the fifth one, is to set a pending order. So if it's coming down, if you predict that the price is going to come down, you set a pending order. A stop pending order. If it's coming down, you're going to set a sell stop. If it's predicting it's going up, you are going to set a buy stop. Buy stop, everything is right here on your MT4. Just choose the one you want to sell and you execute. Then the sixth one, the stop loss should be the high or low of the 9 a.m. candle. If it is a buy, the stop loss should be the low of the 9 a.m. candle. For instance, here is our example, the one we have been using. This is it. And at first, we said this was the high, this is the low, this is the close, and this is the opening at the top right there. This is the opening. All right. So if we are setting a buy stop, we are predicting that this market is going to go up. This is supposed to be our stop loss. This line is going to be our stop loss. So measuring the stop loss from the entry. Remember, you're not going to enter here directly. You're going to give 10 pip away from here to this side to, okay. This will be your entry. This is gonna, now let me move this blue line to this place, to the 10. I'm gonna move this blue line to this 10. Here we got that 10. Okay. This would be, assuming it was a buy, this would have been your entry. You leave 10 pip above the high of the 9 a.m. candle. Yeah, 10 pip above the high of the 9 a.m. candle. That will be your entry. Then the stop loss is going to be the low, exact low where the market got to, the lowest part the market got to, the lowest point rather the market got to. That is going to be your stop loss. So measuring as at this time, it would be from here to here, that would be 29 pip. But in this market, but if it was a sell, which of course we are going to set is sell for this example. It was supposed to be sell. We are going to set for a sell. Then your entry is going to be 5 pip below. 5 pip below the low. Here is the low. So 5 pip. Okay, 5 pip is exactly. Let me move it a bit up. 5 pip. This will be 5 pip. So 5 pip measuring to the high is going to be your risk. So you are going to be having a risk of oh, sorry. So you'll be having a risk of 24 pip. Okay, this will be your stop and this will be your entry. So you have to target. The risk reward is 1-to-1. If you are risking 24, target 24. So you have to get 24 pip, right? So you even gave more than you gave 83 pip just that day. So you have to target. Don't get too greedy, bro. 24. Just target 24. Guys, don't get too greedy. That's where this will be your target. Target 24. So barely the second candle has even given you a profit. Okay, I have a question here. See if I understand you. You mean for a sell stop loss is the high value of the 9 a.m. candle. Exactly. You mean for a sell stop loss is the high value of the I don't understand this EP, please. Abbreviation. I don't understand abbreviation. It's a EP. It's taking 5 pips away. Okay, entry price. Okay, it's EP. Okay, cool. Entry price is taking 5 pips away from the low value of the 9 a.m. candle. Of the yes, if it's a sell stop, you remove 5 pip away. That would be your entry. But if it's a buy, you take 10 pip from your high. That just write those down. Write them down. Okay, now let me write that down right. And this the condition. Okay. For a buy. For a buy. Above the high. 10 people above the high. Then set stop loss at the low of the 9 a.m. candle. Then for a sell, 5 pip. Now it's different. You're going to be 5 pips below the low of below the low. Then set at the high rather. At 9 a.m. candle. Yeah. Just screen grab it. That just it. So you see, and the risk reward is 1-to-1. Let me put that. Then the risk reward. Yeah, that is if your risk is 25 pip, you have to target 25 pip, and definitely it's going to hit it that day. Your risk you saw what happened right here. This is supposed to be our entry point, and the risk right here was 24. Yeah, 25 also, or 24, 25. Yeah, 24. Target 24. But what I do now, let me give you another trick. Okay, wait first. There's another question. You say take 10 pips from our high or add to it. Oh, got that. So what about our take profit? Okay, take profit is 1-to-1. I've answered that. 1-to-1. That's our take profit. If anybody have any question, just shoot your question in. Just shoot it in. Shoot in. Okay. So I was about saying something, but I don't think I can actually remember that fully. Okay. Another trick. I don't remember that. Okay. The other trick we can use is to. Thank you, Mr. Park. Thank you. Another trick we can use to secure more profit is you try to break even. When your take profit point is about to hit, you're going to move your take profit down a bit. Then you take your stop loss. This is your stop loss. Now let's practicalize it with these lines. You take this your stop loss right to your entry point. Yeah. In this case, if the market reverse and hit you, you're going to leave at break even. You have nothing to lose. But what you're going to do, just as the market move down in your favor, you keep on trailing it with your stop order, with your, sorry, let me move this where I can see this. Okay, you stop, you keep trailing it, keep trailing. This is our entry, don't forget. You keep trailing with it. But the best thing to do is to do this with your system. These are to set a trading order. You come here. Okay, I don't have any trades running. I don't have any trade. I will show you how to do trading stuff. Don't have any trading. I don't have any trade running. Okay, just hope you understand this. That's it. So if there's any question, just shoot me up, and you can ask me question on Telegram, anywhere. Yeah, the best is to go for one to one. That's the best thing. Don't get too greedy. Don't get too greedy. Just as I've said earlier, just go get your peep and run away. Do that for the 6 pairs every morning for the 6 pairs. Okay. The last time I used GBP USD to do as for to give example. Let me use other pairs for you to know it works in all other pairs. But for me, what I don't like to trade is GBP CHF. I don't like. I don't just know why, because it moves so shabbily. There's a way it moves, and it moves so, it's so volatile. Okay, okay. He said, Mr. Park said you can just see only 3 GBP pairs. Okay. I had to do that is you come to your market watch. Once you click on your market watch, everything is going to be like this. So the next thing you have to do is to right click on this place. You just right click on it. Then you click show all. So everything will appear here. Then carefully look at the pairs. Carefully look at the pairs. You're going to get all the GBP pairs. That's just it. That's just that. Again, let me come again. You right click on your market watch. You come to show all. Click on it. Everything will appear. I hope that helped. All right. So for me, I don't like to do this, but if you just see, okay, this is the 9. In this case, you would set buy stop because this is a higher high, higher low. Yeah. As at this time, this stuff is going to be here, higher low. Then you're expecting it to go higher high. So you set a buy stop 10 people above. You see, at the end of the day, it gave you your stuff. So these are, you just continue. Let's say from year to year, from year to year is your 10. Is your 10. One more people. Yeah. Then from year to year, then your risk reward should be 36. 36. You're risking 36. This already gave at that day, that point, it gave 63. But you have to take 36 too. Don't get greedy. So 36 is, this would have been your 3 guy out. This what o'clock can do. Okay. As at 4 p.m. in the evening, should have been done with this trade. Taking your money, taking your money. That's 36. If you are using 1 minute, that would be $36. For one standard, that's $360. So not bad for the day. Yeah. There's so many other, it works in everywhere. You can just back test this thing that I'm showing. You see how it came down. Just that's how it works. Okay, now let's check GBP JPY. Still the same thing. That's how it works. See from here, imagine you had entered, this is a 9 o'clock, this is a higher high, then higher low. The next thing is for you're expecting to go up, set a what, a bar stop. This is your high. This, although the high is barely noticeable, this is your low, this is your close, this is your opening. Set a high, 10 people above. 10 people above would be somewhere around here. So that 10 people, then you are triggered in this place. What's your risk? Your risk should be 49. That's pretty much, but you're still in the game. 49. Then you have even gotten your stuff right here. 49, yes. Yeah, 49. You've gotten it here. That's 3 p.m. You've gotten it. You've gotten, you're out of that too. That's how you get not less than $600 on all these pairs. If you're using a very good account, you have a very good account. See, this is how you're going to double your money. double your money in just a week using this strategy. All right, that's all I have for you. And if you still want to buy the money scanner, is everything is still okay, still going on well. If you still have any question you want to ask, you can just fire me the question at any time. I'm always available. You see how the harmonic scanner does work too. So fire. Like those last trades that I called out there 2 days back and yesterday, it was taken off from harmonic scanner on daily. Can I let me look for that? Was it GBP? Cannot remember the exact pair though. Okay, Euro card, and okay, let me go to Euro pairs and drag that Euro card and Euro GBP. I got that from daily, and even on weekly till next week, they are all going down. Okay, thank you. Okay, Euro card and Euro GBP, yeah, they are all going down. For me, with 0.01, I grabbed $16. So that's just the piece. That is, it moved 0.01. That's about 160 pip. I got in so early. And CHFJPY, thank you, Mr. Park, thank you. And CHFJPY, I caught those ones using the harmonic scanner. So it's so phenomenal. It's so different from every other harmonic scanner we all know, because this one scans all time frames, weekly, monthly, daily, for hourly, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 and 1 minute. So it's just watch. Okay, the FMC is still available, Mr. Park. I'm coming. I just want to take this one after the other. Okay. If you can see this right, you can see. You just see this. Okay, now let me delete those. This is my analysis, so you can see them properly. Just hope you guys can see that. See, see that long bearish candle that came on. So there are so other strategies that you can use to do this. Just see the DR pair and you are in. You see, it picked it right here on the point of support. This would have been your stop loss. Since it's already here, you trail. You see this candle formation. If you can remember, what candle formation is this? Yeah. So if anybody I can get this, what candle formation is this? Three, this blue, small one, and this other one. I'm waiting for answer. And after which you see, so that's to tell you, for the next few days, this stuff is going straight down. Nobody can answer for this candle. We can just put your answer on the group when you turn. Put your answer on the Telegram group. Okay. Isn't that dodgy? No. Dodgy does not have anybody. You first read. Okay.